Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a topic, principle of superposition of gravitational forces. So see, this is to understand it. See this diagram very carefully. Let we have a particle of mass m0. Let a particle here situated, see carefully, of mass m0. It is surrounded by more than one particle, surrounded by n particles. How many particles? N particles surrounded by. So this reference particle m0 will experience gravitational force of attraction from all n particles. So what will be the total gravitational force? It is obtained by principle of superposition of gravitational forces. So see the principle very carefully. So see here this reference particle mass m0. See here it is. And this reference particle mass m0 is surrounded by n particle. Suppose this is first particle A of mass m1 at point B. Second particle having mass m2 at point B. Same like as it is suffered by another particle this is particle of mass mn at point n. We can say capital N. So we are represented, there are capital N particles. Right? So this n particles is, and due to this, what will be the net force we are going to see experienced by this reference particle lies at point O having mass m0. Right? If it is particle m1, right, the distance between both is here we are going to represent by r01, r02. Similarly, n particle r0n. So we are going to calculate gravitational force between particle O and A. This is we are going to represent by force 01. We are knowing that force is a vector quantity. It is by formula capital G. Mass of both particle m0 m1 by, we are going to see the distance between both. It is mod of r01 vector square into r01 position vector. And it is represented by equation number 2. It's clear. Similarly, we can calculate gravitational force between particle O and B. This is in the diagram. O and B. What is the force? This force we are going to represent by F02. This is the vector quantity. Mass of both product by distance between both. It is R02, it was here 1. See carefully. It is a vector quantity, magnitude 2 made square into R02 unit vector. This is R01 here in this case. See it is equation number 2. Right? It is equation number 2 here is. Right? So the equation number 1 represent the gravitational force acting between reference particle having mass m0 and point particle at point A. This is, and then we are going to calculate same like this third particle, fourth particle between n particle. What is this gravitational force between particle O and N? See this is, so by the formula simply it is right, force 0 n vector quantity capital G m0 mn, mass is mn, n particle, right, by RON whole square RON unit vector. This is mod of it in vector notation. See very carefully. It is represented by equation number 3. Now see carefully in this. See once all these derivations utilized here in this whole scenario. Now see, we are going to calculate net force. Experienced by reference particle O. Right? We are knowing that this force is a vector quantity. So net force is a vector sum of that. So in that condition, by adding vectorially, this equation can be written as net force acting F0 on this. It is equal to sum of both. So here is the first force, that is, see carefully, here in it, capital G m0 m1 by R01 vector mod of square into unit vector plus G m0 m2 by R02. This is similarly for third particle, fourth particle, up to n particle. What is the nth particle? This is m0 mn by RON vector mod of whole square into position vector, unit vector along this. Right? This is called vector sum of all these forces, and it is represented by equation number 4 here. See carefully, it is this here in this case. So we can conclude by this explanation that the resultant gravitational force F0 acting on a reference particle is a vector sum, not a mathematical sum, because force is a vector quantity. It is vector sum. See very carefully. Vector sum of all indivisible forces acting between a reference particle and other particles. Right? So this is the statement. This statement is called principle of superposition. This is called principle of superposition of gravitation. This is called principle of superposition of gravitation. This equation, mathematical expression of principle of superposition of forces can also be written in this form. Vector F0, net resultant force, is equal to F01 plus F02 plus F03 and so on up to force 0n1n. This is called principle of superposition of forces. So this is all about principle of superposition of gravitational forces.